Good morning, class 6 students. Today we'll start a new chapter from English 2, degrees of comparison. Okay, and in last chapter, chapter 8, we have studied adjectives. And what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so today we'll see the degrees of comparison of an adjective. Okay, so I told you. As you know, adjectives are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. However, degrees of comparison, this is what we are going to learn today. Degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. Okay, let's see the example. This example is given in your book. So, just let's read the examples. Okay, John is a strong man. Ramesh is stronger than John. Ricky is the strongest man. These three highlighted words are adjectives, but when we compare one or more than with one person or one another, it is called the degrees of comparison. Okay, for example, strong. Strong is the positive degree. Okay, it just denotes the quality of being strong. And comparative degree. Okay, it's the higher degree than the positive degree. It is comparative degree because there is a comparison between two. There is a Ramesh is stronger than John. That means there is a comparison between Ramesh and John. Now, superlative degree. Okay, superlative is the highest form of degree. Okay, degree of comparison. Strongest. Strongest is the superlative degree because there is a comparison between two or more than two. Okay, so Ricky is the strongest man. He is stronger than Ramesh. He is stronger than John. He is strongest of all men. Okay. Now, just now I told you there are three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now, the main important point is how do we form positive degree into comparative and into superlative. Okay. Now, in first case, adding ER and EST to the word of one or more than one syllable. Okay. Now, before I explain you these things, I'll first explain you the term syllable. What is syllable? Okay, syllable means a word. Suppose for example clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay, so to find out it is a one syllable word or more than one syllable word, we need to find out how many vowels are there in the word. So here you can see vowels means A-E-I-O-U, right? So C-L-O-C-K, clock. O, only one vowel is there, so this is one syllable word. Whereas hotel, H-O-T-E-L, hotel, O and E are vowels. So there are two vowels. So this will be two syllable word. Ho and tell. Okay. Pet, P-E-T, pet, only one vowel is there. So it is one syllable word. Whereas boat, B-O-A-T, boat, there are two vowels, B-O and A-T. So it is a two syllable word. So this is clear. Now, adding ER to make it, to change it into a comparative form and EST to change it into the superlative form to a word of more than one syllable. So, small. This is the positive degree. We need to change it into comparative and superlative respectively. Okay, so S-M-A-L-L, small. There is only one vowel, that is A. So, small. Add ER to make it a comparative degree. Smaller. Next, smallest, we have to add EST to make it the superlative form of degree. Okay, same way here I have given you few examples: rich, richer, richest; weak, weaker, weakest; dark, darker, darkest; kind, kinder, kindest; young, younger, youngest; high, higher and highest. Clear? Now next case. When a positive degree ends in letter E, then adding only R and EST to form comparative and superlative respectively. Okay. So when a positive degree ends with letter E, then we need to add just R to change it into comparative form and ST to make it the superlative form of degree. L-A-R-G-E, large. So the letter ends with the letter E, so we need to add letter R to the word to change it into the comparative form and ST in the word large to make it the superlative form of degree. Here are the few examples. Let's read. Brave, B-R-A-V-E, brave. This word ends with the letter E. braver, just add R to make it comparative degree, and bravest, just add ST to make it superlative form of degree. Fine, finer, finest, dense, denser, densest, white, whiter, whitest, safe, safer, safest, noble, nobler, and noblest. Now, next case. When a positive degree ends in letter Y, okay, just now we studied when a positive degree ends in letter E, then we need to just add R to make it comparative and ST to make it superlative. Here, when the positive degree ends in letter Y, then Y is changed into letter I. We need to change letter Y into letter I before adding ER to make comparative form and EST to make it superlative form of degree. Let's see the examples. Happy. So what you have noticed? Here the letter ends with letter Y. Then just now I told you what we need to do. We need to change letter Y into letter I. Can you see? Happy, happier. Because we need to change letter Y into letter I. Then add ER to make it comparative. And happiest. We have to change letter Y into letter I. Then add EST to make it a superlative form of degree. Silly. Here all the words in the positive column. It ends with the letter Y, okay? Silly, sillier, silliest. Busy, busier, busiest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Noisy, noisier, noisiest. Holy, holier, holiest. Merry, merrier, and merriest, okay? Here you need to change letter Y into letter I, then add ER and EST to make it into comparative and superlative respectively. Next, by adding more and most before the positive degree to the word having more than 2 syllable word. So in the first case we have studied, I told you what does it mean, okay? 1 syllable word, 2 syllable word, okay? But in case when a positive degree has more than 2 syllable, then we need to add more to make it a comparative and most to make it superlative degree, okay? Look here. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. How many vowels are there? 1, I, U. 1, 2, 3. 3 vowels. So this is 3 syllable word. So in these cases, what we need to do is we need to put more before the positive word. Okay? More difficult. Difficult. More difficult. It is comparative degree. Difficult. More difficult. Most difficult. Most difficult. We need to add most before the positive degree difficult to make it a superlative form of degree. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Enjoyable, more enjoyable, most enjoyable. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Careful, more careful, most careful. Forgetful, more forgetful, most forgetful. Okay? So, now irregular way of forming comparative and superlative degree. So, students, let me tell you one thing. In English grammar, there is always an exception, okay? So, one exception over here in while changing the positive degree into comparative and superlative degree is the irregular way of forming comparative and superlative degree. Now, I'll explain you why it is called irregular form. Because in regular form, we add just in the positive degree, we add just ER or EST, or we change Y, okay, or we add more, most to the positive degree. But here, just look at this chart. Little, less, least, okay? Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. So what you have noticed? As you can see, the comparative and superlative forms formed by a completely different word, isn't it? It is completely different word. We don't need to add ER or EST. We don't need to add more or most, but a complete different word we have to put. Little, less, least. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Worst is the highest form of degree of the bad. Many in number, more, most. Much in quantity, more, most. Old, older and oldest are the regular form, but elder and eldest are the irregular form of comparative and superlative. Same way, far, father and farthest, these are the regular forms, whereas further and furthest are the irregular forms of degree of comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so let's do a quick revision. Okay, I told you 3 degrees are there. Okay, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, this is clear. Superlative is the highest form of degree. Okay, so how we can form positive degree into comparative and superlative? If the positive has one syllable or more than one syllable, then we just need to add ER to make it a comparative and EST to make it a superlative. In second case, we have studied when a positive degree ends with letter E, then we just need to add letter R to make it a comparative degree and ST to make it a superlative degree. And when the positive degree ends with letter Y, then we need to change letter Y into letter I before adding ER to make it a comparative, and we again need to change letter Y of the positive to letter I, then add EST to make it a superlative form of degree. So if a positive degree has more than 2 syllables, then what we can do is we need to add more before the positive word to make it a comparative, and we need to add most before the positive degree to change it into superlative degree respectively. And the last exceptional case of this degree of comparison was irregular way of forming comparative and superlative degree. So here I have given you few examples, okay, and this is very easy. Don't take stress, students. Just listen what I have taught you, and you will be very clear with degrees of comparison and how to change the forms of positive degree into comparative degree and superlative degree. Thank you.